gym and I got buff. And we're gonna install some flares on this Lotus. Hey, what?
We're gonna open the front door. Oh, you're opening the thing? Yeah.
All right, so we got them Lotus flares waiting.
Marinating in the booth.
Marination.
So does this have to be slightly modified for the Elise? The front needs to be trimmed a little bit.
It's hot.
Dude, it is hot. I was literally just doing donuts in the car and it was just baking in the sun before that. And dude, I'm sweating out of every pad.
That's just nasty. I'm just sweating out my pores, you know. So if y'all haven't noticed, this is YummiR's Lotus that we're just gonna be putting these flares on today. I'm gonna document that whole process. Y'all know the rundown. Greg got some sick burnouts coming for y'all. Y'all know what's up.
Wait, won't they have already seen the donuts?
Oh yeah, they probably would have.
That's the intro.
I'm coming down from my caffeine high.
Dude, I wish I was. I can't stay still.
But they're going to be at their 25-year mark here in the next, like...
Guy code on the inside so it's not that yellow that you got split second of. Make sure you wear your safety mask. Oh no, they mad at you because you didn't wear the right mask cutting carbon fiber.
Are you wearing the right mask? No.
Hell yeah, I am.
What kind of mask is that?
Amazon certified and approved.
Amazon certified. What is it actually supposed to be for though?
I don't know. Amazon said for dust and all bad stuff for your lungs.
People use to work out.
Oh yeah.
But now I come with 2 filters on the side. Hold this right quick so I can describe this. Your guys want a stylish, comfortable mask.
Stylish.
It even goes around your ears, you know. Be ninja style. Got the 2 filters. 1, 2.
Oh, dude, you gotta do the combo with your.
Oh, hold on. Cut. Hold up. We come right back with them safety glasses.
Bane.
So,
some type of villain.
Safety glasses, mask. Shit, it's hot as hell. Hold up. Baby mustache is sweating. But
12 hair.
I got my safety glasses for my eyes for those that are concerned about cutting stuff. All Amazon approved. Don't know how much protection it does. As you can see, today we're painting the inside of these flares so they don't look yellow. And I'm done talking. Let me get back to it.
That's all we're doing today, just painting the inside of the flares. All right, we're going home. Bye.
All right, catch y'all later.
See you later. Yeah.
So what do you think about doing there, Mr. Flare Guy?
So everyone asked me this too. So the difference between using my flares on an Exige, which is what they were made for, and an Elise like this, is the bottom section of this front clam is slightly, I guess it gets a little higher from the ground, just like slightly shorter.
Yeah, it's also a different style. The back of the front of the Exige has a more sharp angle and it's much more aggressive on the front compared to the Elise. Elise is more bubbly, if you will, I guess is what you can kind of look at it
But
as.
so basically all you have to do is cut the bottom section of the flare.
Yeah, because the Elise doesn't have that aggressive, like, come down like the Exige does.
Yeah. The Exige has a bottom piece that comes down and then it cups up like this.
It's very sharp.
Yeah.
I mean, mine's just like just bubbles off.
It also has like a big fender vent here. Doesn't matter. You can also get the fenders from an Exige and bolt them onto your Elise if you really wanted to.
Access panel things, yeah.
But
it still looks good because it goes around this.
It goes right below it because that's actually in the same location.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
So what is your remedy for the situation?
Well, you don't have to do anything for the rear. I mean, for the back half of the front. Just trim the front section. Anything else works. The rear should work too. So
I would never hear another compressor pop on us again. Got a wall, you know. Reed is in our office right now, just saying it. What kind of lip is this?
This is a challenge replica lip because I'm on number 4.
What is your car? E90?
E90.
E90 M3. Pay your respects to the 370, the OG.
Damn, son, I remember when we did that photo shoot.
That's my old car.
Got some wheels, some calipers,
Mini fridge.
mini fridge.
Lexus coils. Datsun, I blew it off while you guys were busy.
Let's give y'all a quick Datsun update while we're here. Cause I know this what y'all want. Look at that. He got a front window.
I mean, it's just...
This is pretty in there.
I mean, yeah, because it's heavy.
But we're not, oh, is he using
The engine looking pretty over there.
the best engine of all the land? For everybody that talk trash about it, I'm gonna show y'all what can be done with this.
And we let Betty inside. She was behaving. So.
Betty got on her act.
She got her act together. Now she's allowed to
So now she got a butt. But
Betty's cool.
I just showed them that.
Oh, sorry.
And then I got my boo boo in here. She don't got a name
My
yet.
last picture I posted, I was like,
Hey, comment down below what he should name his S2000.
If y'all give me a name, I'll do more videos.
Okay, what have you done to it? Turbo? Okay, yeah, you can get the tour.
Alright, y'all. You're 6'5", they talk and do what they do. Got some Takata harnesses, full 6-point, so I don't have to worry about submarining. Stock steering wheel, AP2 center console, dual AEM gauges, true boost, air fuel ratio, Yugo, hard dog roll cage, Mugen hard top.
Oh, it's still silver. Wait till he blows another motor. We'll repaint it.
I'm not blowing the motor. I'm gonna take it out when I rebuild it.
Okay, so what turbo? That's the main question.
Got the Garrett GTX 3071R HKS filter, courtesy of Greg, my sponsor.
Courtesy of Tim.
HKS blow-off valve, custom intercooler piping, all welded.
You're like the shit
By Josh Hutchins.
Yeah, Josh Hutchins did that and did the downpipe at that Mishimoto. Got 2 13-inch spout fans, all fabricated by me, doing my bootleg setup back in the day. So don't worry, I learned.
I mean, it works.
Yeah, it works.
This looks sick, man.
All the wiring. Everybody wonders, what do I do? It's not just the camera.
The oil cooler that took him as long as it took me to wide body and paint my car.
We took this whole motor out here at the shop. I disassembled it with help from friends, courtesy of Roberto over there, Tim, Greg, me, Tyler was here. Don't remember.
Who built your motor?
I took it to Inline Pro to get rebuilt, OEM rebuilt. My boy Abdullah, he has a 600 horsepower S2000, well 650-ish. He put it all back together for me. Yeah, I put the engine in the driveway. It's really sketchy. Jeez. I was on the floor, yeah, but got it done. Inline Pro manifold. I went through so many issues with PFAB because it kept cracking. And yeah, 1000cc injectors, which will be coming out very soon. E85 coming.
Getting into replacing this rusty exhaust.
Good Lord.
I know, right?
So if you guys don't remember him, he had the Dodge Ram.
The rusty Dodge.
Yep.
I still have it. Still have it.
Sticking with the rust theme, huh?
Yeah, trying.
Oh wait, is that another exhaust for this?
Fine.
Yeah.
Wait, what now? I think it might have some water in there. I didn't do that, so don't know.
You didn't do this?
The welds.
Did it work?
The shit out of it. Yeah, it actually did work.
There you go. I feel like you got a little bit on the
So that's that.
on the bolt, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to take that off.
It was a
but-
huge hole. It was like that big.
Dude, that's the Rusty Randy special. So if you ever need a Rusty Randy special, just hit us up. Taking a brief
Oh,
intermission.
I thought you were talking about this. I was like, what are you talking about?
Got that nice spider web action going down.
That stock? Feel not.
Hey, you wanna throw a little tack on this or something?
Yeah, because it's definitely hitting.
There you go.
And it's rusting.
Does this rattle like a bitch? Really? No way, dude.
That's so shocking.
No, it doesn't matter.
Did you do this?
No.
This came like that?
You should just throw like one little tack up there.
Where are
some
you
real
getting these
tools.
questionable cars?
These are not good. No.
Hey, another guy talking about Ryobi.
You take them out. That's all you use it for.
Concentration, we don't want to hit that oil line.
Just gonna leave it like that, take the flare off, and drill it through.
Yeah, when I first
That line it's in here somewhere. I think there's two of them, because there's one going up and one coming back. And when I punctured through Corey's, he had like flown here, was waiting to pick up his car. He just went through into it with like the first cell tapper before I did the rib nuts, and just oil just started pouring out. We have a very nice car.
Yeah, no, imagine somebody just gets shot and they bleeding everywhere. That's what it looked like under his car. It's a murder
Yeah, where you see
scene.
the dramatic scene of like a guy laying on the ground and the pool just comes out from the side.
That was the oil. It was bad. We're gonna document the other side because it's a lot easier to do.
Starting with self tappers, and then it'll help us line it up, and then it'll have the initial hole right there, so then we can just drill it out bigger, put the rib nut in it. Okay, so this is stainless steel rib nut, M5 thread. Stainless steel is the best because it won't get corroded or rusty in the inside, and then your bolt will get stuck in there. As a rib nut gun, it basically just pulls this threaded piece back, and it mushrooms out. It's like the reverse of a rivet. So that right there will hold against the fiberglass or sheet metal or whatever you're using. You should get it.
I know,
You should take them off.
but it's still safety.
Safety dirt.
She done entered the future.
Now you record YouTube videos and no one.
It did warp my vision too. I was very disturbed with that.
Warped your vision. What do you mean?
I gotta leave a review. mushrooms its way into fiberglass.
Yep, holds the back of it. Or sheet metal.
Mushrooms its way into the fiberglass.
Yep. Technical term.
Hopefully y'all enjoy the time lapse if I'm getting it. But we're gonna do this for the whole car. So we are complete. This is an install day slash fun day slash I don't know what else to say,
Slash rainy day.
but it's sunny now because Maryland. And there you go. How do you feel about your new install?
I love it. It's amazing. Like, literally the best flares ever. I don't know why anybody else gets any other flares.
And this is not a sponsored video.
They're literally the best flares. Like, I don't know why anyone would want to get any flares with these. They literally are right on the body and they give you exactly what you need. We didn't even measure them and they were at the wheel lines perfectly. It's ridiculous.
That fitment though.
I know, it's insane. It's insane how perfect they were. The body lines are on.
I gotta download it to view the file.
What?
The burnout.
Be gone in a second.
Dang.
Dude, I'm dying. We need to go get some food.
So, now that you're done installing the flares, what challenges would the one encounter when doing this at home?
None, it was a breeze.
Yeah, it really went very well. Just look out for the oil line if you're putting them on, if you're doing it on a Lotus.
So, this is a turbo Lotus, for those that didn't know already. He has pretty cool tail lights.
Oh, you just record. Oh, you did do slow mo.
It is slow-mo, you have to slow it down yourself.
Shooting the GoPro.
Oh yeah.
Are you sketched out about having your tag in videos?
No, you're completely fine.
I mean, either way, I
I
can
lost
just
that. I got out of that phase like 3 years ago.
Yeah, I've heard people say that. I don't know. Yeah, why did Courtney say not advertising?
So right now we're at a Bandito restaurant getting tacos.
Bandito restaurant? Where are we?
We're at a Bandito restaurant outside getting tacos. I got like a shrimp taco and a chicken taco.
So motivated.
This water is warm. Lukewarm. I'm hot.
I'll say you're warm.
Glistening right now.
It's great over
See the
here.
glow? I'm glowing right now.
It's really good over here.
Yummy's got the only good seat right now.
Great umbrella.
A nice blooper.
But near all the sauces.
And I got a soda.
Dude, that guacamole.
X and I are just cooking.
Don't drink soda. It's liquid cigarettes. Bad for you. So yeah, this is just a blooper that might never see the day of light. But if it does,
It should.
you seen it first.
Patrick Star.
So let's make it quick, guys.
Yeah, so hung out with Yummy. Got to meet him.
Bye.
I love you. Catch y'all later.
It's pretty cool.
Wrap this
We're getting kicked out of our photo shoot in the alley. Graffiti Alley, the most played out photo spot in Baltimore.
Yeah, that's all good though.
I've got a car that's about 17 different colors.
But it will be one color
Yeah.
someday soon.
On Monday.
Monday.
Quote me.
Oh yeah.
Will be on Monday.
This will be
That'll be
dropping.
your Wednesday video?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I do.
All right, so
Bye guys.
I'll catch you later. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. We out.
We love you. Shout out to 25,000 subs. 26,000 now. But we appreciate it.
Appreciate all the love y'all give. And yeah, enjoy. See y'all later.